Hello, welcome back. I'm Chann if you're new here. If you're not, thanks for coming back. I forgot what I was gonna say. Anyway, we're basically gonna call this vlog, like it's gonna be like a DIY vlog. Chann tries to make her vacation outfits. Tries to make as many as she can. So I'm going on vacation in the next month or so. I have a little bit of time. And I'm gonna try and make a couple shirts and a couple dresses and another pair of shorts, maybe 2 shorts and a skirt. This weekend's goal is to make a skirt and a shirt. We'll see. Anyway, and I'm also gonna so this vlog is gonna take like a month to make. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going to make the shirt I'm going to make, I'll link the video below, is the Jess Dang crop top with the ruffles on it that she makes from a men's collared shirt. So that's what I'm going to attempt to make right now. I'm almost done with the big ruffle. I'm almost done with my ruffles, and then I think it's just putting it together. No, it's not. I gotta add, I have to add a channel for elastic and then shear the bottom and put the straps on. But I'll definitely finish this tonight, which is the goal. This tonight, and I just made plans for tomorrow, so I'm gonna just wake up early and do the skirt. I guess that's my plan. Because the skirt should go a lot faster because it's only 3 pieces of fabric. Onward. Onward. Okay, I finished the top. I like it in general, but there's definitely some modifications I need to make. So I want to extend the length of it. I don't mind that it's cropped, but I would like it to here, because then when you raise up, you're gonna lose 2 inches anyway. So that's fine. And then the back is good too. So she only did 1 row of shearing. I don't know how she pulled that off because I need multiple rows of shearing. We're at 3. And I looked at another top I have like this that has 5 rows. So the longer length will also help with that. What else do I want to say? This ruffle is too short compared to this ruffle. I think it looks dumb. So I'd want to make this ruffle longer. I think the bagginess at the top will go away, or maybe, yeah, I think it will go away once we figure out the shearing situation. You see what's happening here? I don't like that. And then I think I'm gonna make these straps, because these are not holding up or supporting anything. It's all the elastic up here, which is fine, but they just fall down. This is just how straps like this are on me. They just fall down. So I think I'd rather just make them spaghetti straps. So I'm going to leave them tied so that I know how long to make my straps, period. But beyond that, I think this is really cute. I just need, this is why I bought 4 shirts. I also wrote down all the measurements of all the pieces so that when I think I said this before, but yeah, I don't want to always have to buy a shirt to make this. I would like to make this other fabric. But I love it though. I think it's really cute. But I'm going to bed because it's 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. But success. I did finish it. Now I know what to do for tomorrow. We're going to keep on trucking. Good night. They have one in here for $10 a yard. And I'm trying to decide skirt, shorts, or shorts, skirt. I'll show you in the car what I get. There's no one in here though, so I gotta whisper. Look, no one's here. Okay, I'm back in the car. Ooh, I don't know how to hold the camera. I'll just use my left hand. Okay, I'm back in the car. I just got back from Fabrictopia. I'm in the fabric district in Dallas. Which is cool. I like Fabrictopia a lot, and I also like Warehouse Fabrics. Warehouse Fabrics has more stuff, but I'd say the quality of variety is better at Fabrictopia. So I picked up linen for $10 a yard. I got 4 yards. And then I got a zipper for 50 cents. I'm gonna make shorts and I'm going to make a skirt out of it. So let me show you.
couldn't decide. It's just like beige linen. It's pretty basic right here. I ended up going with this one versus the lighter one because I like this one had texture, and like I have lime green nails and you can only kind of see them. Yeah. Which means you aren't going to see my panties. So that was the deciding factor. It was going to be completely see-through. And then here's the zipper I got, which doesn't match exactly, but it matches close enough, and it's going to be behind a fly trap anyway. So now I got to get back home because I'm on my lunch break and I've been out a while. Oh, I also stopped at Joann's and got some thread, but I'll show you that later. Okay, I'll see you later.
I just finished my shirt and then realized I didn't show you all. It's done. Maybe I'll pop something in, or I'll show all my looks at the end. I don't know. Anyway, next, so I showed you earlier, I went to the fabric district. I got fabric I already talked about this, so we don't have to repeat it. Never mind. I think I'm gonna trace out my new pattern tonight. I already washed my linen. I got 4 yards of linen for $40. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll probably cut out things tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna cut anything tonight because I'm usually pretty tired once I get back from gym. We'll see. Maybe you'll see me in fitness gear. Doubt it though. Probably see me tomorrow. Hello. Today is Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. So yesterday I got this dress from Misguided in. Yes, Misguided. I'm sure of things. I know I see much right now. I don't particularly like the color, but I like the style of the dress, and I don't like the fabric. I think for what I paid, I could definitely make something better. I was going to wear this on the trip, but I'm not because I'm going to return it. However, I did trace out the bodice so I could make my own. So let me show you what I did. I will not be doing a tutorial on this because your girl is not skilled enough, but I will link the tutorial I'm using. So this is the dress. I don't really wear the shade orange. I thought it was going to be marigold, and it's not. Maybe I'll insert a picture of me wearing it, but I kind of hate the color. However, it's like a tiered maxi style. So what I did was trace out the pieces on my tracing pattern paper, and I'm going to attempt to make my own. I need to measure the straps too. Almost forgot that. Measure the straps and whatnot. So I have all these pieces, and today is mostly going to be a cutting and tracing day. I don't know if I'll actually get much sewing done because it's already like 3:15. So the plan is to just like cut out everything ahead of time so I can get some stuff sewn. Also, while we're here, let me put this down. Where? Well, I hung it up in my closet. One sec. Here is the finished top from yesterday. I think it turned out really great. I would definitely make this again. I may actually. But we're cutting out a lot of things today. And if I don't get anything sewn, that's okay. But I'll be ready to go because I know some sewists and like dressmakers and whatever. Some people cut all their stuff out the day before or like ahead of time so they could just go and sew. No delay. So that's the plan today. I normally don't like watching people cut things out, so I'm probably not going to film that. I'm probably just going to show you all of it cut out so you can kind of see what I'm doing on. But if anything significant happens, I'll definitely loop you all into that. We're back in the bathroom, which means I have things to show you. The dishwasher is going, by the way, if you could hear that. I have the loudest, longing running dishwasher in the world. But your girl got to wash the dishes, so. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I make the Kiana Bonollo shorts. It's my first time ever making bottoms. It was very easy, but I loved my first pair, but I wanted to make a few modifications so they fit more like hers fit. So I whipped up a couple mods based upon her video of how to adjust patterns to fit you better. And y'all, I love the fit. It's a slim silhouette. And that's what I wanted. I just wanted a little bit more of a tapered leg situation. I will show you the modifications I made. Here's what I did. This is the back and this is the front. So for the front, I just tapered the leg. Let me make it a little less fisheye. Hold on. You zoom in. Okay. I just tapered the leg along the side right here. And then I also tapered it on the inside and I brought the crotch up about a 1/2 inch. On the back, I also brought the crotch up about half an inch. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but that's what it is. This looks like a full inch. Maybe I did bring up a full inch. Let me see. Let me actually line this up the way it's supposed to be. Okay, yeah, closer to like a half an inch. And then just tapered up. And then I tapered the leg to be a little bit straighter on this side as well. So I probably brought the side seam into the smallest size, just about. And then on that, I didn't do anything to the middle. And I didn't change the length either. I just felt the crotch was kind of baggy before. I didn't move the pleats or anything. And like I said, if you watch her video, it's like an older one, on how to adjust patterns, you can see her like overlaying the patterns because she's trying to go from wide or from narrow to wide. And as long as your pleats are laying flat and don't look stretched out, like that's how you know you have a good fit still on the waist and on the sides and stuff. But if you watch the video, I'll link it. Note to self, link the video, but I'll link it. And that one, you can see her like previous versions. And so I just kind of reversed it, and that's how I knew what to do. I feel like immense amounts of pressure that I'm putting on myself to get this done earlier than later so that I'm not rushing last minute, because I don't want to rush last minute to make my wardrobe. But I now feel confident enough I can cut these shorts out. So, and I gotta cut out my skirt today. I think that's all I have to do. Oh, and I have to cut out another draft of that. We're just gonna start cutting. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna start cutting. I cut out all my pieces. I also took a dessert break. This is the best thing I've ever bought. Now it's just to put it together. And I was searching the hashtag, and I feel like I'm going to love it. I also ordered one off of Amazon that looks very similar. I'm getting ready to go to bed because it's 11:50, but I wanted to show you how far I got tonight. So I finished the whole top part of the skirt. I got the elastic in. I made a tiny mistake with my measurement here, but it looks, you can't really tell, so it's fine. So I got that done. And then for the bottom part of the skirt, I used my rolled hem foot to hem both parts. And then I sewed in one row of gathering stitches. And I just have to sew in another one, then work on attaching these two. So here's the finished skirt. I think it is so cute. I really love how this turned out. I'm definitely going to make this pattern again. I was kind of back and forth about adding the drawstring, and then I realized I'd already cut it. So I had no choice. The only adjustment and thing I need to like note and write down, the modification, is that I cut elastic. I had to cut down the elastic twice. And so I think I ended up using like 20-inch elastic versus my actual waist measurement because it stretches out when you add these 2 rows of top stitching in it. But I think it's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay. So I have 2 garments down, a few more to make. But, I can't wait to wear this. I'm going to make like 10 of these. Morning. Today is Monday, the 9th. Yes. So I finished up my skirt. I think I showed you all that a couple days ago. I just cut out my shorts. Okay, I cut them out last night. But I wanted to show you all. Oh my God, I haven't showed you my birthday present. Oh, hold on. Okay. I'm going to take a little trip over here and you get a little preview. I think I talked about this on the vlog. I know I talked about it on stories. If not, I bought myself a serger for my birthday. And I spent last night learning how to use it. And I have it down. As you can see, I took the training wheels off. I put my serger thread in it. So, I'm so excited, y'all. It's not as hard as I thought it would be, actually. So that happened. Yay. I'm so excited. So today, my plan is I think I can do these shorts in a day, but do the shorts. And then now that I own a serger, my idea is, okay, Okay, now that I'm a serger, my plan is this skirt. Bop, bop, bop. I think it would look really good with the Lola tank by, is it Stay Stitch Pattern Co. or Stitch Pattern Co.? One of the two. But it's like one of those like inverted racer back situations and whatnot. So, but I'm trying to implement a rule that I can't like go buy more fabric for projects until I finish the projects I'm working on. I may go during my lunchtime today. We'll see. But which my lunch break is right now, I think. So I may go to Joann's. I want to go to the fabric district again because I think I would like to make the Lydia Naomi Milkmaid blouse as well. I think I have all my outfits planned out. I gotta kind of write it down a little bit. I got like mentally, I'm like, okay, yeah. Not mentally though. I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. So today the plan is to sew up these shorts, go to the fabric store, if I finish the shorts, and plot out my next project. I'm gonna write it down and I'll show you all. I serged everything. She does it in pieces, but I just find it easier to serge everything at once. So I'm getting, okay, this is only like day 2 with the serger. So you can see I got some work to do with the curves, but we're getting there. By the time I got here, I learned how to like adjust my differential feed correctly and whatnot. So I'm okay. No one's going to see the pockets. So now I just got to assemble everything. And I had a zipper. Oh yeah. I got this zipper from the fabric district. It doesn't match exactly, but it's okay because no one's going to see it. And I'm okay with it being too long because I can just cut it down. But it was only 50 cents, so I'm okay with my zipper not matching and whatnot. On camera, it doesn't look that off, but it's a little bit more of a distinct offness and whatnot. Yeah, all right, let me assemble these shorts. I got pretty far. These are really quick sewing shorts if you've made this pattern before. So, as you can see, I have serged edges and whatnot. And I have put my zipper in, and I did the center seam, the crotch, basically. All that's left is I need to trim a few random threads. It's so much easier to trim as you go, just FYI. I need to baste along the waistband so that I can ease it in and then pop the waistband in. And then I eventually do need to trim the zipper. I may do that right now, actually. Look! I used real linen this time, so it's like quality. So I got linen shorts for like 20 bucks. That's it for today. Another project down. Gotta start making some tops to go with all these bottoms I'm making. But I'm loving it, y'all. We're doing it. And we have 14 days before I leave. Yeah, 2 weeks. I have 2 weeks before or kind of. Yeah. I have 2 weeks before I leave and like have to be done. So, all right, on to the next one.